Hey friends, check out this view from Estes Park, Colorado. This is my dream office for the week. And honestly, it's a little taste of the freedom that my husband and I are working towards. I still work full time, but every day I'm building digital income on the side to make this lifestyle a reality. I want to be totally real. I am not a full time digital marketer yet. I'm just like you, clocking in at my day job, squeezing in work on my side hustle before and after hours. But that first $900 commission showed me what is possible. And every step brings us closer to our big goal, traveling full time, working wherever we want from our RV. Estes Park is just an example. Imagine waking up to views like this. Imagine waking up to anywhere that you choose. My husband is a disabled veteran. After we lost our travel lifestyle, starting over was really tough. But we realized that if we want to travel again, we need income that moves with us. Digital marketing is our ticket to that dream. Our dream? Hitting the road in our RV, giving back to other veterans, and having work that fits around our life, not the other way around. If you're a woman starting over from scratch or just craving more freedom, you're not alone. It is never too late to start something new. Imagine your office could be here in the mountains, at a lakeside, or just wherever your heart leads. That is the power of digital income. It's about choices, not just dollars. I'm learning digital marketing through the legacy builders. I'm not a techie. I don't have a huge savings, and I don't have tons of time, but I do have determination. I work on this business in the mornings, in the evenings, weekends. It's not overnight success, but it's progress. Every $900 commission is another step towards that dream RV lifestyle. That first commission was proof that this works, even for busy women over 40, even if you're starting from zero. Now I'm focused on consistency, learning, creating, and sharing what works. If I can do this, you can do it too. I have a free freedom blueprint that breaks everything down. It shows exactly how I made my first $900 sale, all while working full time. If you want to start building freedom on the side, grab it at wealthbuilderwelch.com. It's totally free. This view is my reminder freedom is possible no matter what your situation. Your dream office could be anywhere. Start building your digital income now, and maybe next year we'll both be on the road full time in our RV. So drop any questions that you have below. And I love cheering you on. Let's roll into freedom together.